Okay, this is Tiger. This is Indy. We're trying to introduce them, but Tiger's really vicious and Indy wants to play and she's kind of lunging at him like a crazy one.
This is what we've resorted to.
Nothing else is working.
Dangleberries.
Okay, they're smelling. Whoa, snap! Okay, Indy, smell. Oh snap! Oh snap! Okay. Let it be known that that little dog is defensive, not Indy. And she's like lunging so hard. Is this a good angle? Tiger doesn't even let me touch him.
Why can't we be friends?
Oh man. Indy, relax.
Look, Tiger, see?
Oh snap, Rochelle. Oh crap.
You don't just jab him with his back nose. Maybe he's like having bad memories of Lulu.
Be careful because she can reach him. I think if we could let them go it'd be alright. But this is a on-leash dog park.
What if I attach the rest of their collars together?
Rochelle, watch out. No negative energy. It's hard when you think one dog can...
This feels really tense. Very tense.
Indy looks calmish, except when Tiger goes crazy. Watch Tiger. He's not having any of me. Tiger! Oh, sorry. Evil eyes.
Look, what if I pat you both at the same time?
Be careful, Rush. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, run! I don't know how to do this! Please don't judge our technique.
Yeah, don't judge us.
It's been like an hour so far. I'm trying to get them to be friends.
Indy wants to play. Stop pulling, Indy. Huh? What's wrong? Huh? Oh, sorry, I'm shining the light so bright in your eyes. Tiger, look at him. He's such a tiny thing. Hey, okay. Peace out, peeps. There'll be another video if you see them together. Hopefully.